The juvenile justice process in New York Family Court. The juvenile justice process in New York Family Court is designed to handle cases involving minors accused of delinquent acts. Unlike the adult criminal justice system, this process prioritizes rehabilitation and the best interests of the child while ensuring that legal standards are upheld. Families navigating this system must understand the procedures and protections in place for their children. New York law treats juveniles differently based on their age and the severity of the alleged offense. Generally, minors between the ages of 7 and 18 accused of crimes are sent to family court. However, adolescents aged 16 to the 18th of May initially appear in adult criminal court as adolescent offenders, though most cases are transferred to family court. The distinction is crucial because family court focuses on rehabilitation rather than punishment, offering young individuals the opportunity for correction without carrying a permanent criminal record. A minor taken into custody by law enforcement has specific rights and protections. Police must make an effort to contact the child's parent or guardian, and questioning cannot proceed without parental consent. If a child or parent requests an attorney, questioning must cease until legal representation is present. In most cases, juveniles are issued a desk appearance ticket and released to their parents, requiring them to appear in family court at a later date. However, in cases involving violent felonies or serious offenses, the child may be detained and taken directly to court. A key difference between family court and adult criminal court is that juveniles do not have jury trials. Instead, a judge makes all decisions regarding the case. This approach is intended to protect the confidentiality of juvenile cases and ensure that determinations are made in the best interests of the child. Another major distinction is that juvenile cases in family court must be resolved within 60 days of arraignment, ensuring a faster process compared to the often lengthy proceedings in adult court. The juvenile justice process in New York consists of several critical steps. After an arrest, a child is either released or taken to a detention facility. If detained, a probable cause hearing determines whether the child must remain in custody. The case then proceeds to a fact-finding hearing, which serves the same function as a trial in adult court. Here, the presentment agency presents evidence against the juvenile, and the child's attorney has the opportunity to defend their case. If the judge determines that the allegations are proven, the case moves to the dispositional hearing, where the appropriate outcome is decided. New York law provides alternatives to detention for juveniles who are found responsible for delinquent acts. These include an adjournment in contemplation of dismissal, which dismisses the case after 6 months of good behavior, conditional discharge, requiring a year without further legal trouble, and probation supervision, which may include counseling and treatment programs. In more severe cases, confinement in a juvenile facility may be ordered, though the focus remains on rehabilitation rather than punishment. One major concern for families is whether juvenile records remain on a child's permanent record. Fortunately, cases handled in family court are automatically sealed, meaning they will not appear in an adult criminal record. However, for more serious crimes, a child may be prosecuted as a juvenile offender and tried in adult criminal court. Certain offenses, such as murder, sexual offenses, and violent felonies, may result in prosecution as an adult, particularly for juveniles aged 13 to 15. These cases carry the risk of harsher penalties and a criminal record that follows the individual into adulthood. It is critical for parents to seek legal representation as early as possible in the juvenile justice process. While court-appointed lawyers are available, having an experienced attorney from the beginning can significantly impact the outcome of the case. Early intervention by a skilled lawyer may even prevent formal charges from being filed, sparing the child from the stress and consequences of a court proceeding. Even if a child intends to plead guilty to a minor offense, hiring an attorney can make a significant difference in the resolution of the case and the potential penalties. For families facing the challenges of the juvenile justice system, securing strong legal representation is essential. The law offices of Jason Bassett, PC, is dedicated to defending the rights of minors and guiding families through this complex process. If your child has been accused of a delinquent act, contact 631-259-6060 or visit 320 Carleton Avenue No. 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722, United States to schedule a consultation and protect your child's future.